Hello, I'm Patty McGray, and I'm the Director of Customer Education here at ESRI located in Redlands, California. I have the privilege of working with 175 dedicated and passionate education professionals whose mission is to provide the best learning experience possible for all of our customers, whether they are new to our technology or experienced professionals. With me today is Erin Zurich. Erin, will you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, everyone. I'm Aaron Zurich, and I manage our ESRI Global Training Programs out of Redlands, California.
Thank you, Erin. We wanted to share with you the amazingly diverse set of resources that we have available for both yourself and your students. These resources contain something for everyone, from multiple delivery modalities and different levels of cognitive complexity in the content, to tools for creating, assigning, and tracking a learning plan. And they are all developed from a problem-centric, student-based GIS workflow perspective, enabling strong hands-on practice and a deep understanding of not only the software platform, but also the critical thinking skills needed for successful GIS projects. The two most often used resources in your community are our various e-learning courses and, of course, our very popular MOOC program. Let's take a closer look at both of these.
Today, thousands of organizations use the ArcGIS platform as a system of record, a system of engagement, and a system of insight. As the needs of these organizations evolve, workforce skills and knowledge must keep pace. ESRI Web Courses provide focused training on a range of GIS and ArcGIS topics. Interactive elements and activities make for an engaging learning experience. Hands-on software exercises provide practical experience with ArcGIS apps and tools, while conceptual lessons explain ArcGIS terminology, processes, and workflows. A short exam assesses your understanding of the web course content. After passing the exam, you will earn a course certificate of completion. ESRI Web Courses are ideal for the busy ArcGIS user. They are online, on-demand, and self-paced, helping you learn whenever you want from wherever you happen to be. All you need is an internet connection. Get started at esri.com/course catalog. Every year, millions of learners join massive online open courses, MOOCs, to build new skills, explore interesting topics, and expand their horizons. ESRI MOOCs teach GIS concepts and the latest advancements in the ArcGIS platform. In a MOOC, you learn whenever it's convenient for you. Courses are open day and night. About 2 hours of study time is required each week. Lessons include video lectures by ESRI subject matter experts. And students get free access to ArcGIS software to complete step-by-step exercises. Exercises explore interesting scenarios while teaching skills to create maps, visualize data, find patterns and relationships, apply analysis tools to turn data into information, and share results in easy-to-use apps. MOOC discussion forums connect learners from all over the world. You can ask questions, share ideas, and learn from one another. After completing all the lessons, you earn a certificate. Join a MOOC to build skills that employers value. Join a MOOC to understand how ArcGIS helps organizations solve problems, gain insight, and make a positive impact. Most of all, join a MOOC to have fun.
You can find all of the e-learning, MOOCs, and other resources we offer at ESRI Academy. Here you will find not only a great variety of content, but also tools for both yourself and your students. Each learner can create their own personal dashboard that shows their training history, upcoming training, anything they may have wish listed for later consumption, and also any learning plans they have either enrolled in or been assigned to. Learning plans were designed with you in mind. You can create a custom plan from the available content in ESRI Academy, or use an ESRI design plan as it is, or copy and modify it. You can then assign that plan to your students, complete with due dates. As the administrator of that assignment, you can then monitor your students' progress through the plan's courses. Now, of course, having a well-defined goal that education culminates in is extremely important. And one of those goals can be acquiring ESRI technical certification in one or more subject areas. Erin, would you like to share how certification works at ESRI and how it can be combined with the great work our audience already does?
Thanks, Patty. The ESRI Technical Certification Program launched in 2010 and is designed to validate an individual's proficiency with ESRI software. To date, we've awarded around 9,100 certifications to 7,600 unique candidates. Our primary goal is to support the growth of a qualified GIS workforce. Holding a professional certification shows current or prospective employers that you're serious about your professional development and that you can apply ESRI GIS concepts to address real-world challenges. This is a summary view of our current program. Our current program consists of 8 exams, with our 9th, the Utility Network Specialty exam, currently in development. Our program spans 3 domains: desktop, for experienced users of ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Online; enterprise, for individuals who design, configure, maintain, and support ArcGIS deployments; and our specialty domain, for those who support their organizations or customers with focused products or concepts. It's important to note that to qualify for a specialty exam, a candidate must first hold one of the 5 core exams. Our program caters to 3 levels of experience and expertise: entry, associate, and professional. Based on our work with several higher education organizations, we've been able to identify a few best practices that I encourage you to keep in mind when considering integrating certification into your program. This information is covered in our ESRI Technical Certification for Higher Education Story Map, and a link to this resource is provided at the end of the presentation. First and foremost, focus on the right exam for the right candidate. In this case, our desktop entry exam aligns the best with higher ed programs and with the experience of student candidates. Do not make passing the exam a requirement for your program. 100% pass rate is unrealistic. Develop your own working groups and leverage the ESRI social communities for support and preparation. Create and assign an ESRI Academy learning plan to augment what is taught through your program and to provide additional hands-on experience to your students. Read the information guide. This guide provides a description of the ideal candidate, the software products, workflows, and concepts covered, and contains a blueprint of the exam content. Have faculty take the exam to understand how it is structured and to understand the overall experience in taking an ESRI technical certification exam. And finally, use your resources to identify gaps between what is covered in your program versus our exams, and make any adjustments necessary to your curriculum to address those gaps. Each candidate who successfully obtains an ESRI technical certification is issued a digital badge. Digital badges can be shared to promote both the individual's achievements and those of your program. To date, we've issued 3,592 digital badges, and those badges have been viewed by over 24,000 other individuals. Encourage you and your students to join our growing and active LinkedIn group, where they can collaborate with around 4,300 additional certification candidates. Take advantage of our certification GeoNet resources, where candidates and organizations can connect, collaborate, and share experiences. Our GeoNet group is currently being updated to provide additional resources for preparation and social engagement. Here are a few links with additional information on what was covered today. We hope you found this presentation useful, and please reach out to us anytime at gistraining@esri.com.